forward. We should not look forward.
No, thinking is always good. Yes? Thinking means at least we want to go somewhere. Like, even if you are not financially ready to go to India, but you think about going to India, you will in one way get ready to go there. You will make every endeavor that is suitable for your desire. Yes, that is fine. But to really speak, we have to be strong because bigger responsibility means it's just like होता है ना कि शुरू में जब हमारा किसी का शादी नहीं होता है तो जवान है शादी करूंगा बीवी के साथ खूब घूमूंगा everything is not based on just खूब घूमूंगा isn't it? With every घुमंग there is a big budget also. To have a desire to one day have a family, have a wife, that's one part which everyone has, isn't it? Now what comes along with that is different thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's true. But uske karan, if we stop, if we are basically tying up each other, or until unless I am not self-resilient, I cannot marry, or something like that. तब क्या हो गया मैं 50 साल का भी हो जाऊंगा मुझे नौकरी नहीं मिलेगा और उधर शादी भी नहीं होगा
नहीं ऐसा है प्रभु देखिए शादी के बारे में आपको यहाँ बैठ के कोई लेक्चर इतना नहीं देता that's the unique position between like a material life and a spiritual life you get complete help by somebody. What is the point of satsang today? Basically we are all getting help. With this help grows very much. बोलते हैं कि घर में एक बार गांव में पूछा पिताजी पूछते हैं तुम्हारा शादी कराओ या तुम्हारा घर बना दो तो बेटा क्या बोलता है बोलता है शादी तो गांव वाले भी करा देंगे आप घर बना दो खर्च का काम गांव वाले नहीं करते लड़की धुलने का काम करेंगे सब लोग तो खर्च देने का काम कोई नहीं करता इसलिए लड़की मैं ढूंढ लूंगा काम करेगा आप समझे ना स्पिरिचुअल पैथ यू आर ऑलवेज हेल्प्ड ओके स्पिरिचुअल पैथ इज अ गेम ऑफ इमोशन just to make you accept in spiritual path everything is in your mind. If your mind has accepted something and you are 100% guaranteed about it, there is no endeavor. Everything is a natural flow. You simply flow with the flow. How easy is it for the water to flow downward? Very easy. And how easy is for the water to flow once the track is been made? Even more easy. Yes, spiritual path is something like this. It is natural to living entity. ये सबके लिए स्वाभाविक जो हम लोग कहते हैं प्रेम करना सबके लिए स्वाभाविक है. Yes, प्रेम पाना और प्रेम देना. Everyone is born with those qualities. Either we are seeking love, or we are looking to give love. Either we are waiting to love somebody, or we are waiting to be loved by somebody. This is natural with human. है ना? कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति है who does not choose one of them? Yes, just like the child comes from the school. It's a whole day and he sees his mother first time. What does the child expect? कि कम से कम एक बार मम्मी का हाथ सर में चले जाए या एक बार पकड़ करके गोद में तो ले लो. It's a general expectation, isn't it? Seeking a love. Yes. और एक बार इंडिया चले जाते आप माता पिता के शरण छोते व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट कि कम से कम एक बार मेरे सर में हाथ तो रखो. Either somebody is expecting a love from you or you are expecting a love from somebody else. So the whole human society is based in prayer, love. And what is devotion based on? Love. Yes. आप मंदिर आते भगवान के पास आते. What is the first thing that you expect? You bow down and say, Krishna, you love me, I am here. है ना? और बाहर कोई दुखी व्यक्ति खड़ा है. If you have few dollars in your pocket, what do? You say you take it, you love him. Isn't it? Either you are taking an opportunity to be loved, or you are looking for an opportunity to love somebody. And this is what the spiritual path is based on. It is not unnatural. It is natural. Isn't it? So you simply have to understand that if I am going to love, I will love Krishna, and if I am going to seek a love, I am going to get a love from him only. Just a little bit in a mind thought. Instead of loving somebody We say, let me always love the devotees of the Lord. Yes? And if I am to beg from anybody, let me always beg from the Supreme Lord. Because we are always begging in our life. अभी कंपनी में जाएंगे, जॉब अप्लाई करेंगे, प्लीज ग्रांट मी दिस जॉब, आई एम अनेबल टू पे माई बिल, यू नो, इफ यू डू दिस देन माई हाउस विल बी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, आई विल पे माई बिल, माई वाइफ विल रिस्पेक्ट मी, माई चिल्ड्रन विल बी, यू नो, सेफ. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बेगिंग. सो डोंट बेग विथ अनदर बेगर. आप ये थ्योरी जानते हैं ना, इफ यू आर बेगिंग, डोंट बेग विथ अनदर बेगर. You want to beg from another giver. So in this world, who is giver? Krishna. And who is the beggar? All living entities. We beg less, somebody is begging more. But principally everyone is begging. So one logic is, beg from the giver, don't beg from the beggar. So we only beg from Krishna. Yes?
Yeah.
And if we want to give, we want to give either to Krishna or Krishnaya. You know what does Krishnaya means? Anything that is connected to Krishna. Just like we have a Akshay Patra of Food for Life. We have this intention of thinking that everyone is a part and parcel of Krishna. He needs a food. Instead of giving a life of somebody else, you go and give us a food for life, khichdi, halwa, you know, sabji, puri, whatever that is. That is a beautiful way of giving. You just polish everything. Yes, Prabhu?
Right.
Any other questions? Yes, Prabhu.